So take us back in the time tunnel in 2017. You were building AI music systems when most people hadn't even heard, or we didn't really call it generative AI, right? It was machine learning. What was that aha moment or moments when you realized that you want to turn this research maybe into a real product, which became Wave AI?
If I were to pick just one moment, I remember when David Locher had the first prototype of a system that you would give it lyrics and it would find different ways to sing them. So something like "It's a beautiful sunny California day" would become "It's a beautiful sunny California day," or "It's a beautiful sunny California day," right? There's so many ways you can sing it. And it would print out a whole bunch of different vocal melodies for my lyrics, just for little phrases. And my songwriting abilities blew up. It was just like instantly I felt that I went from being, a certain level in songwriting to being 3 times better instantly. I've never felt this way about a research project. It just became immediately obvious. This is 2015. It was immediately obvious that this had to be a product. And this was just one piece of what the product ended up being. But it still took a couple of years to actually gain the courage and really, open a company. So it wasn't overnight. That's just one I knew it had to happen.
You said that Wave AI isn't about replacing artists, but co-creating with them. Tell me a little bit about how you see co-creating, because obviously that's what brought you here.
Already in 2017, there was this lack of trust around it amongst consumers, which is really
Yeah.
interesting. And that's definitely been amplified today. And that's because there are so many tools that come in that purport to help us be more creative. But really, they're just doing it instead of us. These tools can authentically be used to profoundly and meaningfully elevate human creativity. The users are smart. They can tell. They can tell what's happening. They can tell if they're getting better or worse. So, one thing that maybe I shouldn't be sharing, but I like to share, is that some of our users stop paying for our products because they have become better songwriters. They got to where they want to go. And I think that's fantastic. I think that's fantastic. And some of our users stay with us forever because they still gain value further up the chain, right? But ultimately, the way to make a successful product with AI is to have it give real value and elevate the user and help them learn and help them grow, not just foster addiction and dependence, right? Because sometimes when you build a product to try to foster addiction and dependence, what you create is a one-hit wonder that nobody comes back to.
Well, and you're in the valley too, which it's almost like, okay, where is the addiction in your model? How do we make users not be able to live without you? Where's your moat?